Welcome back, everybody. Just another day here working on our 2018 F-150 project truck. Last video, we got our 3-inch rough country lift put on, which includes some upper control arms that drop down a little bit further, new struts up front, and in the rear, we got the Vertex shocks with a 1-inch lift block. I think it's sitting about perfect. One of the really cool things about doing the 3-inch lift is this is completely removable. Like, we did not have to cut anything. We didn't have to do anything special. You know what I mean? Like when we did the Duramax, you got to shave the differential and cut off tabs and do all those things. This one here, you can just remove this stuff, put the stock stuff back on if you want to sell the truck or for some reason want to remove it. So really easy. And I think, honestly, I think you could have this lift installed in about, I don't know, 2.5 hours, maybe not even that much. Now that I've done it once, it took me probably a little bit longer than that, but this is my first time doing one of these lifts. But now that I have, not a difficult process at all. But we're gonna stop talking about the last video and move on to this one. We got a whole stack of boxes up here and we are gonna open some more up. You guys like unboxing stuff, right? So the other thing that's gonna be really nice is this is a bunch of boxes and it'd be nice to have this space back in the garage. So I'm especially excited to do this. Hey, Axel. To do this build. Now these two boxes here are going to completely change up the look of this truck. I mean, we're taking it up a notch here. Oh, this opens a different way. Hold on, I need to flip this down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So there we go. We got our new front bumper for the truck. We still got some more stuff in here that we're going to have to check out. But I'll be honest, guys, like I originally was not a huge off-road bumper guy, like ranch hand bumpers, the ones that like you can sit yourself on, I think are the most ridiculous thing. But these ones, new ones that are form-fitting, I think look pretty awesome. And they're gonna give us a little extra tire clearance up front. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna have any issue with tire rub, but this here will ensure that we definitely don't have any issues. In here we got two of our pod type lights. They'll go in, I think, either side of the bumper here. I think we got another 2 of them here. This is all the mounting hardware. I'm not going to take the time to open that right now. Got a switch here, I believe. All the wiring, good stuff. And our center light bar. All right, so there we got front, rear bumper. I love the steps in there. That's gonna be a huge improvement for getting up in and out. And I think in this box over here, we got some more hardware and I think 2 more pod lights for the rear. All right, with everything laid out, I think it's time to start the disassembly. Hey look, Lance finally showed up again. I don't know where Ford things are up here. They're somewhere. I know. How did I get the hood open before? I did this already once. I feel like something here. I don't see anything yellow.
Door was yellow.
Well, oh, is it just this guy? Oh, okay. All right. There we go.
It's not yellow.
No.
All right. Well, it doesn't have it in.
No, we gotta pop these guys off.
Okay.
I think that's pretty much what's holding on to it.
Okay. Oh, there she goes.
Okay, there's just little plastic clips.
Nice. Okay.
I was not up there yet.
I know, I didn't really try to let go either. I just throw there.
Yeah. We'll put everything back in the box then, but. So with that bumper off, I know that we have to put the lights in first here, like I said. I'm gonna pop open this bag of all the hardware here. I didn't see instructions yet. They very well could be in the box. I didn't really look around. Inside our pack here, we got our instructions. Knew they were somewhere around. And then I got these brackets here, which basically bolt up right here, just like so. 3 bolts on the end that go into the new bumper. So simple enough, but let's throw the lights in this guy over here. All right, Lance. You haven't been on the channel that much recently because you've been, I don't know.
Working?
Yeah. Whatever. You want to tell everybody what we're working on next here, what we're doing?
On this project here?
Yeah.
Or like the next big project?
No, that's only... What's the next big...
We
don't have anything planned. We're quitting after this truck.
Yeah, this is it, actually. So, R.I.P. 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to put these little fog lights into the...
And how do they work?
Holes here. They go in this... I didn't look yet.
Okay.
Let's see. I assume there's a hole here for them. Is this the hole? So, I don't know.
So, yeah, I think the small pod guys go on either side out here. And then we got the big light bar for the center. They just mount on these brackets right here. And I think they slide up through these slots back here with a bolt. I got my first light mocked up in here. Now, obviously, these are probably going to be in a terrible position until we actually like turn them on and can see exactly where they're aiming. But I'm just putting it in there as my best guess. You kind of use the first and third slots back here. And yeah, that's about all I know so far. After 2 installed, I got a few little tips here for you guys. 1, these take a little bit of time. Just because you're working in a pretty tight area to get these guys in. You can get everything, but they're a little bit tight in there. The cords go around the bottom. I originally thought they were going to go around the top, and then they come up through there, which that's not that big of a deal. And Lance is working the holes that the mounts go in on either side. Oh, you're actually doing it on that one. Okay. The lock washer that you're going to need, because these are going to vibrate loose for sure, is just really, really close on the size there. So, like, once these were powder coated, you kind of got to just bump them a little bit, and then they'll go through. Boom, just like that, we got all 4 of the pod lights in. Lance is just about done getting the center light installed here, or ready to be installed, I guess. There's some brackets in the back here that they mount into somewhere. Oh, it goes to the bottom. Okay, so it goes, oh yeah, to the slots right here. One other thing I learned, if you get this bumper kit, it is a lot easier. The other one, that one over there, I did this one first and then this one. This one's a lot tighter, so do this one first, and it makes it a whole lot easier.
All right.
Whew.
Did she see them out there? Like
No.
No?
No, it's way high.
Okay.
Way high.
Okay. There's no other adjustments on this. So we got another chance.
Do they go underneath?
Well, it could go...
Those guys mount underneath of those brackets?
I wouldn't think so, no. Not with the rubber mounts and everything.
All right, problem solved. Our fault. Didn't look at the instructions. You got to use these brackets right here. They come with the other ones because it's just like, this is just their light bar. And they send it along with the kit, but then in the bumper kit, they come with the correct brackets. Moment of truth. She's all together. Dude, it looks so good. I think it's gonna look sweet. All right, let's get this thing on the truck.
I'm against my bracket there.
Okay, I got about an 1/8 of an inch.
Okay, so that's close. Let's go ahead and, like, we could probably finger tighten some screws to that if we had to. I don't think you'll be able to go in.
Too tight.
I have no idea, actually.
Mine's in. Just trying to make sure the whole thing doesn't fall off.
Yeah. Pull yours out for just a second. Yeah. There. Oh, wow. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Somewhere in that range.
So, yeah, that would give us at least an idea to start with. go that direction an eighth of an inch or something.
Yeah, just to hide
You
that.
can kind of just see right in that crack.
Yeah, just to
If
hide
you look
that.
at the other side,
You can't.
it's almost showing it.
Oh yeah, it's
close.
It's extremely close. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you like this gap here, then I don't know if it matters. But I can feel that my finger's a little tighter in here than it was on that side.
All right. Well, let me just loosen it up just ever
Just
so.
just slide this way just a little bit.
All right.
But otherwise you're there.
Straight into the Duramax bumper.
Yeah, we're not good at bumper alignments.
No. Or hood or
anything.
Yeah, fender. We don't.
I bake a mean cake.
All right, we got this thing all fit up here. It looks perfect. I think we got it right on. We don't have the wiring hooked up yet, but we'll get there in just a second. And admittedly, it looks a little funny because we don't have the right wheels on there yet, but we'll get there probably next video. All right, now time for the rear bumper. What do you want to do? Lights in the rear bumper first, or you want to try to take this guy off?
Let's put the lights on.
Okay. These ones should be...
Maybe we can use the tailgate as a workbench.
Okay. I dig it. So our lights here, I don't know. I felt like... I think it would be good to have them hooked up to reverse lights, but it's just going to blind everybody, so... I don't know.
How often do you drive around with reverse engaged, though? I mean, like...
Well...
It really is only when you're backing up.
But, yeah, I guess so.
And you do want to see...
Actually, we can just go.
Yeah, up on the top. Exactly. Bingo is his name on that one. Okay.
That's it. Just smell.
Cords out the bottom?
Huh?
Cords out the bottom? Or out the...
Yeah, they come out the bottom.
Can I do this one? No.
You want to do it? Go ahead.
Well, I mean, if I'm allowed to.
Yeah, go ahead. It's okay.
I'm going to do it real slow.
Yeah. Half that speed.
Can you slow-mo it?
Yeah, I'll slow it.
Okay.
Now out here, I guess we got to pop that guy out probably from the other side. Same thing with these lights. I don't think they pop out from this side. For the spare tire there. And then underneath we got, let's see, what do we got? Probably just these guys here. These, yeah, I think that's it. That one, that one. That one and that one. Yeah. I think that's it. I think these are it.
Okay.
Oh, these are 13s. These aren't 15s. So, Ford rear bumpers, which I knew this going in. I've taken them, well, I think I've only ever replaced like one piece. I never actually had to pull this guy off, but there are 3 pieces. These 2 pieces of metal are not connected. And it looks like to get the whole thing off, you got to pull the plastic off. Oh, that was cool.
I was just trying to get...
Yeah, it must be the one without a hitch.
That's it.
Dude, for sure. With that rear bumper in, which looks awesome, by the way, we got Lance up front here. We're finishing up the wiring for the lights. Obviously, it's fairly simple. Some relays we're mounting underneath right there. Running the wires inside. We're going to do a 3-switch thing. Panel, I don't know, whatever. Just right here that'll turn on rear. I guess the middle main light bar, and then the pods on either side. All 3 lined up right there. All right, hit it, man. Woo! All right. Yeah, those will be bright for backing up. Those actually would be great backup lights. So he can just hit them every time, you know, if it's dark, with the tinted windows especially. All right, and then we got these guys up front too. Oh, hit it one more time.
Sorry. It's getting too hot.
All right. Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. And then, like I said, inside the truck here, we're going to move the outside is going to be the fog lights, center light bar, reverse, whatever, rear lights right there. So we ran the wire just underneath this guy. He hides it pretty well. Like I said, we kept all of our relays right here nice in a row. Shrink wrap that guy, so she's good. All right, finish this up, man. Last connection.
Oh, is this?
That's one of those style.
Oh, that's actually for the whole.
Yeah, that tightens it down. You want to do the
I
other
wanna do that
one, which I think is a 13, isn't it?
Yeah, look, doesn't look like a 10.
No, I don't think it is. It doesn't. I don't even know why you tried it. It's so clearly bigger than the other one.
I think it's 13.
All right, she is installed. Time to pull this thing out and light it up.
Oh yeah. Nice.
How's she look?
Looks good. They light up pretty good, man.
So I think what we're gonna have to do is, I think they look really, really good. We're gonna have to wait till dark to see
aim them.
how much, aim them and just see how much they really do light up.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, it's still running here. This thing looks ridiculous with our factory wheels and tires on. They look way small, way too, way too high, low offset, low offset, whichever the offset way is. High offset, that's it. Yeah. Way too high of an offset. And we're gonna fix that very, very soon. Next video, we're going wheels and tires and some other good stuff. It's dark out, and I'm not even sure what the point of videoing this is because it's not like you can even see. You gotta see how much this is lighting up in front of it. Definitely would be great for off-roading. I mean, it is. Oh, let me turn off the garage lights quick. And we could even aim those pods out a little bit. I had them pointing straight, but you could actually aim them out, and it would still be. Then you could. Then it would light up on either side a little bit better. Obviously, the rear has a lot less lights, not as crazy, but definitely not gonna have any problems backing up even with the tinted windows. I'm gonna finish this video up right here with the bright lights on me and call it a night. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this build. Thanks again to Rough Country. Have a great night.